Hello! Today we're here to show you the AE-PS01 dough roller and how it can help improve the efficiency and productivity of your bakery, pizzeria, or restaurant. Our dough roller can help you quickly in seconds without any expertise at hand rolling, slapping, or tossing dough make a wide variety of products like pizza, calzones, roti, dessert pie crusts, pasta, pita bread, and more. The AE-PS01 can fit on a countertop and is ergonomically designed with all controls accessible from the front or the top. Additionally, it comes with a standard 115-volt power configuration so you can plug it into any standard receptacle. A two-pass design allows for gradual flattening of the dough, and the back opens up for easy cleaning of the rollers. The AE-PS01 is designed with safety in mind, with an extended feeder chute, an emergency stop button, and an automatic safety cutoff if the back is opened during operation. A durable, low-maintenance chain and sprocket drive is paired with a 1-horsepower reliable motor to give you years of trouble-free service. Our dough roller is easy to operate with 2 different adjustment handles on either side of the machine to precisely set the thickness of both the first and second passes of dough. To operate, just dial in the thickness desired, hit the start button, and then feed the dough through the chute on top. The chute is a wide 8 inches by 3 inches to accommodate various sizes of dough. You can easily feed the dough for a second pass through the secondary rollers from the accessible front feeder chute. If you'd like to adjust the thickness of your dough through multiple passes, just put it in, adjust the thickness, and run it through again. The final dough sheet can be up to 18 inches in diameter, and with proper practice and training, you can produce up to 600 sheets per hour. We hope you found this video useful in understanding how the AE-PS01 dough roller can help your business. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Thanks for watching.